3 hours later.
I'm in New York. Oh, I just got here sa airport ng New York. I am going to meet my friends now. So I just got my bag. I'm waiting for my friends. I think they're coming
A
here.
few moments later.
So I'm with my friend now. Stay niya today. Di ba halata? Naka-coat ka.
Holding my hands on the subway so
Out of
go to Vegas.
I know. But we're in New York. Masaya ka ba?
Hindi. Iniisip niyo yung gasto. You happy?
No.
Why you're not happy? Ano gonna say? Why you're not happy, Dad?
Nakuha mo na daw yung gift mo, the flowers.
I know. It's okay. I'm happy. Credit card. Pabiliin natin siya kasi nung card yung i-charge niya.
Lugi daw kami kasi wala ka daw card.
No. Option. ABC. Walang D.
Hi, friend.
Hi, friend. And I swear, when the sun and the moon.
So we are now at our hotel. What hotel is this? Yeah, since may makeup ka na, anong masasabi mo sa New York so far? I'm cool. Cheers!
Elevator tayo. Taas mo tayo.
Bagitin mo nga yung name ng museum.
Guggenheim. Spell it first.
Am I right?
I don't know. That's what I'm asking you. Asan na yun? Ayan.
Ito birthday vlog. They left us.
Guys, I found out the most artistic painting here. Let me show you. Obra.
Anong kakaiba dyan?
Artistic, isn't it? Ganda, no? Kakaiba, parang ang laki ng inspiration niya para i-drawing yun. like recent work cats return to the challenge of painting the body of water. Imagine, you're under the sea. That's the bubbles inside. Can you do backstroke? Di ba ako niya, ilalim mo. Kasi yung buhok nakatalong ko.
So, kaninong buhok?
Grandma's back. Ano inspiration? Ito yung my favorite paint. Picturean ko, kailangan, picturean mo kung ba't nakapagod na. Kailangan nyo na, mangkumangka ako doon sa paint.
Wala naman masyadong details.
Eh kasi wala din naman masyadong painting.
Alin?
Biyahing lang.
Ano yan, Jen?
Tingnan natin. Where's the, where we can read it from?
Right there. We'll see.
Light water.
Anong shortcut?
Biyahing lang.
Okay, what's the difference between this one and this?
Gitna, you have to go in the middle.
So what's the difference?
Yung eye bag, gusto mo, makapal to. Hello, baka naman. Yan, ang ganda. Blur. Saan you're in the middle? Honey, what happened? Bilisan mo. Bilisan mo.
Yeah, 90% girl. Yeah, kailangan natin. Ito. Wala na space yung luggage mo. After 1 use. Hindi naman matutumian na eh, mababasa. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, girl.
A few moments later. Eventually.
We're going to her
Oh, it's raining.
birthday dinner.
It's raining, man.
Hallelujah, it's raining.
Say it again.
We're buying some umbrella. We're buying 2 umbrella.
It's not refundable. You have a mortgage number? Yes, I didn't type it. It's okay, it's alright, that's fine. You won't get it for the umbrella.
It's raining here. It's currently raining here. There. Oh. Catherine, ikaw ba yan? Paano maging sosyal? Ano sumubo ang sosyal?
Hindi nakita yung mukha ko.
Videohan mo ba?
Yeah, paano sumubo ang sosyal?
Ano, rap?
Paano naman ang hindi sosyal? Sosyal siya. Dear Jenica, happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Crimbolite. Crimbolite. Yeah.
Thank you. Happy birthday.
Thanks.
Happy. Ew! Gross! Ew! Tutok ka pa dito. Ang baho! Shit!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.